Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. So many people ask me, how do I go about choosing a niche on YouTube? Now, my number one recommendation when it comes to choosing a niche is to do something that you're passionate in. Only if you've already done market validation on that particular niche to see if there's even a market for that niche. Because you could be passionate about some really obscure thing that nobody else is into, right? You can make videos on something only for nobody to watch them. Now, you can also do videos on tried and true things, and I actually have a free training at my link in bio that you guys can go check out. And in that training, I give you guys some of the best niches on YouTube that you can go and clone channels in those niches, and I even show you a couple example channels in those niches as well. Like I said though, I recommend doing something that you're passionate in. Because if you don't do something that you're passionate in, you're not going to have the energy that's pretty much required to start a successful channel in that given niche. And like I said, you need to do market validation on that niche. Now you're probably asking, what's market validation? What I mean by market validation is doing research on that niche to see if it is a valid niche that you can make videos on and potentially get views on those videos enough to make a full-time living. And the way I do this is a couple things, and I actually cover it in my new course that I just released called Tube Mastery and Monetization. You guys can check that out as well. Send me a DM if you guys want to get information on the course. It's actually on discount right now. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. I'll see you guys in the next video.